easyJet serve over 6 million customers per month. We need our in-flight service to be quick and efficient to ensure we can deliver excellent customer service.
To do this, we've developed some secret hand signals to enable the crew to communicate with each other during the in-flight service, minimising unnecessary chatter.
First, let's take a look at some of our menu signals.
Anything to eat or drink there, sir?
Yeah, can I have the chicken Caesar baguette, please?
Yes, certainly.
Thank you.
There are signs for pretty much everything on the menu, which means that we can communicate clearly with the crew in the galley.
There are also codes for special situations.